Good afternoon, class. This is Mr. Young, your instructor for this course. I've been fielding a lot of questions lately of how do I check my grades in Blackboard. I'm going to take this quick opportunity to show you exactly the ways you can check your grades in Blackboard. I'm starting out here on the main landing page. You can see your enrolled courses here. You can see your navigation bar up here. One way that you can check your grades very quickly and find out if you have new grades is to click the down arrow next to your name. And this pulls up your navigation window. In the navigation window, your navigation options might look slightly different because I'm an instructor and you're a student, but you will definitely have this icon that says My Grades. If there were new submissions graded that you have not yet viewed, you'd have an alert number like is under this one, and it would have the number of grades posted without you viewing them. If you click on that icon, it's going to pull up all of your graded activities for the course. Go back out here to the main landing page again, and I'll show you another way to get to the same information. Go into our class, and we'll scroll down the navigation menu on the left to My Grades. And in this window, we can have a couple of options. We can have all grades, meaning stuff that is graded, stuff that is assigned, and stuff that is submitted but not graded. We can view only graded assignments. We can view upcoming assignments. These are assignments that are upcoming but not yet submitted or graded. And the last category is submitted but not graded. I hope this answers your questions of how to view your grades in Blackboard.